Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Go Mystic with Swaps. I am sure you've seen our last podcast. It was on pranic healing. Today we are here to share with you details about Reiki healing. I have with me my dear friend Lata Chedda, who has been practicing Reiki. She is a Reiki grandmaster and has been practicing for the last couple of years. Lata, please introduce yourself for our audience.
Namaste. See, I am a Reiki grandmaster and I have healed many people, and I'm practicing this from quite some time and healed many people. And I teach also Reiki, and I take case studies also about Reiki. I treat them through Reiki.
So, what inspired you to select Reiki itself?
Yeah, actually, I in my family one person was going through chronic disease, and then we went to many doctors and all, but it was not with the medicines and all side effects and all were there, many side effects and all. So somebody suggested me, why don't you do Reiki for this person? So that time I had no idea about it, but okay, they suggested me. So we went to a Reiki healer. He healed, and when he was healing the person, my relative, the person was feeling very calm, relaxed, and he was feeling better each day when the healings were taking place. So that inspired me that I should go for Reiki healing.
Oh,
I
that's
should learn
nice.
this, and then I should also go ahead.
Very nice. So, what exactly is Reiki?
Reiki is a type of, it's a energy healing.
Hmm.
It's from the universe to the practitioner, and then we give it to the patients.
Okay. How does it work?
Yeah, it works like when we just make the person, either he or she is in front of us, or it is even distant healing we can do. And we have to just pray, say our prayers, and then we have symbols, and these symbols work wonders.
Okay.
So that's how we do the Reiki healing.
I believe in Reiki also you have certain levels, right?
Yes, yes,
Can you
yeah.
tell us about that?
Yeah, there are 5 levels in this. The first level will be like when we take up the first level, it is only self healing.
Self healing.
Yes, self healing. We teach
Okay.
about self healing. Second level goes with the symbols. We introduce them to the symbols,
Okay.
so they start using. But there are only few symbols in the second level. Third level, when we come to the third level, it is few more symbols are added, and it is little more powerful than the first two levels.
Okay.
And then the fourth level is the master level, where you learn how to attune others.
I see.
And
By
then,
attunement, you mean you teach.
yeah,
Okay.
the person who is learning the fourth level, now he can attune,
Eligible to
eligible to teach
teach others.
others also, attune that person and then teach them.
Sure.
And then fifth level is the mastery of overall
Hmm.
everything,
Hmm.
and it is the most powerful, of course.
Of course, I'm sure.
Yeah.
And that is the reason why you have such good testimonies from all your
Yes,
patients,
yes,
right?
yes.
And I think, be it any sort of a healing that we do, the kind, as a healer, the kind of satisfaction that we get when we get to know that, our healing has worked and has helped a third person, the kind of
Yes,
satisfaction we get, I think that's beyond explaining in
yes,
words, right?
yes, yes. It's, and the blessings what we get from them.
Yeah, right.
Yes. And see, when we heal them, they feel so relaxed, calm. It's very nice. They also experience a very nice feelings with
So,
them.
does Reiki work only for people who have some physical illness as such, or also on the emotional and spiritual well
No,
being?
no, it works for everything. Physical, emotional, everything, mental, everything. It
Okay.
works. It works.
So, I mean, for typically, if somebody comes to you, minimum how many sessions does it take for a person to heal?
So it depends. Now, see, first thing when the person comes to us, we need to check their chakras. How many chakras are blocked?
Okay.
Depending on that, it takes time to heal, but minimum 20, if the person is facing really serious ailments, at least minimum 21 days is a must, so that those chakras start opening up, activating, and then that person starts feeling better and
Okay.
better.
So, you do it on a daily basis, like continuous
Yes,
21 days in a
yes,
row.
yes, if the person is otherwise in 2 3 sittings also, if it is normal, if they are not, it's not a very serious thing, they can heal themselves in 2 3 days
Okay.
also.
So, like other healing modalities, are there any myths which are there related to Reiki where we can actually, share insights with people? Ki,
There's myths. Yeah, some people do feel that what this will not work. See, ultimately it depends. Healing also depends on how much faith you have
Yeah,
in that.
absolutely.
So, yeah, the more faith you have, it starts working faster for you.
Hmm.
But this myth is there that I don't think this energy, what energy healing, because I have got many patients saying that what energy healing, does it really work? They have
Acha.
this is the myth, but it's just a myth, it really works.
Of course, I mean,
Yes.
you and I, both of us are into healing and
Yes,
into
those,
multiple modalities that
yes,
also.
yes,
So, I mean, we understand the value of it.
yes,
And I
yes,
think today, in today's world, people are really, really getting educated and aware
yes,
about this. If you see, Instagram is loaded, it's swarmed with people giving these kind of tips
yeah,
and
yes,
anything that you
yes,
would
yes,
want to say
yes,
about that?
yes. It is now, the awareness is really more, and people are, especially the younger generation, because they are facing a lot of stress and all, so they feel that when they go undergo this reiki healing and all, they feel very calm, stress free, so they themselves are experiencing it, and now the awareness is going up every day.
Correct. Now, I think Reiki is a very old method
It's
of
an ancient
healing,
method, yeah.
right? A very ancient method. So now there are so many new healing modalities coming up. In that scenario, how do you think is the future of a Reiki master as such?
No, I still feel that reiki, it is really wonderful, and it works, it does give wonderful results. There may be other healing modalities, but see, even when you want to cleanse yourself, you want to cleanse even the crystals. Now the crystals are coming up. Everything they use reiki symbols to cleanse them. The reiki symbols, they really work very much. They work very well to heal a person and all. The symbols are very powerful, and I still feel reiki is the best.
Okay. And you mentioned about distance healing.
Yes.
So, does a distance healing work as effectively as in-person healing?
Yes, definitely it works. It
So, if
does.
any of our audience wants to connect with you, and if they are not
Yeah.
in the same city or not the same
Yes,
area
yes.
as, so I mean, they can, right? They can
Yes,
get
yes.
it.
I
Yeah.
have clients all over the world.
So, I mean, as healers or as a Reiki healer, you've been healing so many people. We've got great testimonies from, I have seen personally, we've seen great testimonies from all your patients or your clients. I want to know, how has this helped you personally in your life?
Yes, it has helped me. Initially I used to be very angry person.
Mm-hmm.
But after learning
अच्छा, देख के तो
Reiki,
लगता नहीं है.
I was like this. I think my husband will know better.
Yeah, because
But
I mean, seeing you, your personality wise, you look so calm.
yeah,
You know.
Reiki has made me very calm.
Acha.
And I have learned to let go things. I don't catch it in the mind if
It
anybody
is
there.
so important.
It's very important.
Yeah.
And physically, mentally, I've healed myself.
I keep telling this to everyone, whomever I meet, that you should not hold on to your
Yes.
past, and you should not,
Move on.
you should not hold anything in your hand, because it's like the moment you let go what is not needed in your life, you are going to be very happy.
And this
All,
Reiki has taught me this.
yeah.
Yes, I have learned to let go things only and only through Reiki.
Mm-hmm.
And I have become very calm. Chalo, if anybody is saying anything, okay, fine. It's his point of view. I need not worry about it.
Correct. I know. It's very important. I think we need to understand. And I'll tell you the kind of clients that come to me also. I have a lot of young students coming with boyfriend issues and study stress and things like that. Um, it takes a bit of a time, but then yes, I mean, they need to understand.
They need to
They
understand.
need to understand that there is no point in
But
holding on
people,
to
I
things.
have got many clients, young, especially the younger generation, when they are undergoing this, they are learning Reiki, and then they do practice this. They also have started learning, to let go things, forgive and forget.
Correct. Yeah, I think that's one fundamental that we all should apply in our
Yes.
lives. So you also take Reiki classes. You
Yes,
teach?
I teach.
Okay. So is there any batch coming up soon?
Yeah, I have every week. Every week.
How many
means,
days course is that?
No, I have to just give an attunement, and then I have my videos recorded already. So then I take the support sessions for them. If they have any doubts, they'll go through the videos. Once I give them the attunement, then they start practicing. We have to practice 21 days.
Correct.
The practices for 21 days after each level. So then we teach them after giving the attunement, and they practice for 21 days, and they experience during that 21 days they experience many things.
Okay.
So which they discuss that, okay, I experienced this, I experienced this. Everybody's experiences are different.
Different. Okay.
And some see colors, some see some goddess or god blessing them.
While
So,
doing it.
while doing,
practicing
while
it.
practicing the
Acha.
meditation and all, many
Okay.
different experiences, of course, they undergo. And then after 21 days, even they are eligible to heal others.
Oh, nice.
They also can heal others after 21 days. After their self healing, they also can start healing others. That time also they experience many things. And then we have, of course, every week I have a support class also, so where I clear all their doubts.
Okay. So, while Lata is a Reiki grandmaster, she does and practices many other modalities also. Do you want to tell us something about it?
Yes, now I'm coming up. I do practice many things, and now I'm coming up with my online class as Money Flow Mastery. I have introduced a course, how to remove your money blockages.
Wow. Who does not want to remove money blockages? Okay, please register me also in your class.
Sure.
Money blockage, I mean, money is something which everyone wants.
Yes.
And everyone feels that, oh my God, I have so much of blockages. Why is the money not going to me? If it goes out of my hand, it gets stuck. It doesn't come back to me.
Yes,
Right?
and this particular thing inspired me because I was also at one point going through this and then practicing all this, how to remove the blockages. My personal experience, then I made a course on this.
Very nice.
Yeah, so it's my personal experience which I have shared with everybody, how to remove the blockages.
Sure. So, all of you who are watching this today, I am sure you are watching this because you also need to get that blockage removed. So, now, if you want to, please reach out to us and I'll connect you with Lata so that you can also attend this course and remove all your blockages. So, Lata, tell me about your family. We've spoken enough of work.
Yeah, in my family, my husband and 2 kids,
Okay.
both sons.
Okay. What do they do?
My elder son is a software engineer and he's working at Goldman Sachs and as a senior software engineer, and my younger one is a student. He's still studying.
Very nice, very nice. So, are they also on following your path? Do
Yes.
do they appreciate
Yeah.
what you do, and
Yes,
do
yes,
they believe
yes.
in
Yes,
this
yes,
space?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
They do
It
that.
is very important. Whatever passion we have or whatever space we enter into, it's very important that our family should support us because they
Yeah.
are our backbone. They are our spine. My family does support me, and I express gratitude to God every day for this.
Yes.
And so does Lata.
Yes,
So
definitely.
should you all too. So, apart from the money flow, any other courses that you're going to launch?
Yes, I'm coming up with a crystal healing course. Then I'm coming up with magical knots. Then I'm coming up with how you can heal yourself without medicines through color therapy.
Oh,
So
wonderful.
I'm coming up. These are the upcoming courses
Okay,
in the next few months.
sure. So, upcoming courses, there are plenty. But an upcoming big time healer is sitting with me today. After a few years, we will interview Lata the same way again.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for being patient and listening to us. God bless you all. Have a great day ahead. Stay mystical.